Hello friends, welcome to Kids Zone with Trishy. Today we're going to read a story about going back to school. Are you ready? All right, let's read it. My first day of school. I'm wide awake. Today's the day that I start school. Hooray! I'll wear this outfit. It's brand new. This shirt's my favorite color too. I love these waffles. They're so sweet. My brain works better when I eat. I find my backpack by the door. Mom takes my picture, then takes more. This school looks kind of big to me. Dad says, "You'll like it. Wait and see." So many kids. They're everywhere. Hey, I know her. Her name is Claire. My classroom's great. We have a pet. Our teacher says his name is Chet. Look, there's my cubby next to Ben's. I really hope that we'll be friends. My teacher says, "I'm glad you're here. We're going to have an awesome year." We practice saying thanks and please and how to block germs when we sneeze. We take our turns one by one. We get in line when playtime's done. We learn to say our ABCs and how to write ones, twos, and threes. And now we get to paint. It's true, with yellow, orange, red, and blue. I love to paint, and so does Bree. I'm painting her. She's painting me. The teacher says it's snack time. Cool! I think I'll really like this school. And while we eat, it's story time. Our teacher reads a book and rhyme. Today has been a total blast. How did it all zoom by so fast? I say goodbye to each new friend and wish this first day wouldn't end. Then, as we're lined up at the door, the teacher says just one thing more. Guess what? I have good news for you. You're going to love tomorrow too. The end.